Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is white. The color of white. Now we are using the color of green. The next one is black. Now we are using the color of black. And the next one is red. The color of red. And the last one is yellow. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Kids, now we are using the color of white. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of white. Now we are coloring the shape of pentagon. The next one is square. Now we are using the color of black. Now we are using the color of black and coloring the shape of square. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. Now we are coloring the shape of triangle and using the color of red. The color of red. The next one is circle. Now we are coloring the shape of circle and using the color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of green. Today we coloring and draw 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.